Hello my friends. Today's tutorial is about web storage. You can correctly create an account, you can get 50 GB storage, so let's get started. First, open your browser and type mega.nz and hit enter and wait a moment to load the page. Click on Apply Cookies and click Create Account. You need to give your information to create an account. And click Create Account. And check your email and verify your email address. If you learn how to create in web storage, like to this video and subscribe to my channel to not miss any future video updates. So, that's I have for you today. Thanks for watching, hope to see you next time. Bye.